Welcome to today's product comparison video where we delve into the world of home fitness, specifically comparing the UMAY Fitness Home Folding Treadmill and the Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons, aiming to help you make the best choice for your home workouts. In terms of price, the UMAY treadmill is priced at $369, slightly higher than the Cursor treadmill, which comes in at $299. If budget is a key factor for you, the Cursor treadmill might be the more appealing option according to reviewers. When it comes to the motor and speed, UMAY's treadmill boasts a 3.0 HP motor with a top speed of 8.7 mph, whereas Cursor offers a 2.5 HP motor reaching up to 7.5 mph. Reviewers appreciate UMAY for its higher speed capabilities, making it ideal for those looking for a more intense workout. Cursor, on the other hand, is favored by those looking for moderate exercise. Both treadmills come equipped with pulse sensors, allowing users to monitor their heart rate during workouts. This feature is equally well received among users of both brands, highlighting the importance of health monitoring during exercise. The UMAY treadmill offers an incline feature, adding an extra challenge to workouts, while the Cursor treadmill focuses on providing a spacious running area, ideal for those who prefer a flat surface for their exercises. Users value UMAY for its challenging incline options and Cursor for its generous space. Folding capabilities are a highlight for both treadmills, with UMAY featuring a hydraulic system for easy and quiet folding, and Cursor also folding neatly without hydraulics. Reviewers appreciate the convenience of easily storing both treadmills, making them great options for space saving. Customer service is a strong point for both brands, with UMAY Cares and Cursor Cares offering stellar support and a 5-year warranty on the frame. Reviews indicate that both companies are committed to customer satisfaction, making either treadmill a reliable choice. Overall, reviews for both the UMAY and Cursor treadmills are positive, with users praising their respective features and benefits. UMAY is often highlighted for its higher speed and incline options, making it suitable for more intense workouts. Cursor, on the other hand, is praised for its affordability, spacious running area, and suitability for moderate exercise routines. We hope this comparison has helped you understand the key differences between the UMAY and Cursor folding treadmills. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Check out the product links in the description for more information. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.